Hi! In this video we will show you how to change DNS address for Wi-Fi connection. Go to Start menu and open Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. After that, click on your Wi-Fi connection name. Then click on Edit and add DNS server addresses. As you can see, I am using Cloudflare DNS and I will be replacing it with Google DNS. Simply write down Google DNS addresses, click Save, and you are good to go. Make sure to enable DNS over HTTPS so that all your DNS queries will be encrypted. That's all.